हाय फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। तो आज हम कवर करने वाले विंटेज क्लासिक कार कलेक्शन। ये सारी कार्स बिलोंग करते हैं उदयपुर के महाराजा महाराजा अरविंद सिंह मेवाड़ जी को। First car which we are seeing is Morris Tiger, manufactured in 1950. Car was manufactured in United Kingdoms. It is an convertible car. And this is the Morris Minor Travelers. They are basically the same cars, but this is more like a wagon. And this is Chevrolet truck and bus, manufactured in 1947, the same year when India got freedom. The Buick Super 8. This car is manufactured in 1946 and Buick is an American company, so this is manufactured in USA. This car looks beautiful according to me, and this is also in pretty well condition. And this is Cadillac, and this Cadillac is 1938 model, 7-seater and pretty unique design. It has 3+1 gearbox and also has 2 stepneys. This is also a same Cadillac 1938 model, but this one is convertible. These cars are so long and they are 7-seaters. This car has a massive dent on its mudguard. The vintage Rolls-Royce, manufactured in early 90s. You can see the spirit of ecstasy on the bonnet, and beautiful machine and very rare car and expensive too. Next car is our second Rolls-Royce, and this is Rolls-Royce Phantom 2, made in 1934, and this car is in beautiful condition. Next as showroom and looks handsome. Our third Rolls-Royce. This is a 1924 model, but it is in very good condition. Looks beautiful. Fourth and last Rolls-Royce of our collection. This is 1934 model, but the condition of the car is not that great. Car needs an beautiful restoration. The Mercedes-Benz 300D, 1989 model, made in Germany. This car has got wipers on its headlight too. Again an beautiful Merc 200, 1966 model, belongs to Germany, and I love this color. DB 190, manufactured in 1960, 55 horsepower. Perfectly restored Mercedes 180D, manufactured in 1956, belongs to Germany. This car is in very good condition and looks magnificent. The iconic Ford Model T in an excellent condition. Ford Model T was among the first mass production cars in the world, so it was focused to build for common peoples. Hence, it plays an important role in evolution of cars. And it's very rare to find a Ford Model T in such a good shape in India. Ford Model T has great value in international car collection market. The magnificent old vintage MG convertible. Back then, this company was British.
बैटरी बाकी आपकी चार्ज केला आहे शहर बैटरी आहे ना
Thanks for watching my video. Stay tuned, like, share, and subscribe.